In the IELTS Writing Test 2 section, you may be given 7 different question types, and each question type has a completely different essay structure you must follow. So in today's video, I'm going to cover the opinion-based essay, and if you do get an opinion-based essay question, this is exactly how you should be structuring your essay, because this is a big part of getting a high band in your IELTS Writing Test 2 section. So an opinion essay is pretty much giving your thoughts or your opinion on something. So if the question asks for your opinion on something, you should make sure you structure your essay correctly to ensure that you could get your points across in the most concise and the most clearest manner, so the examiner does not have a difficult time following along with your essay. For an opinion essay, what you need to do is you need to back up your reasons and support your idea. So just before I actually discuss every single paragraph and what should be included in every single paragraph of your opinion-based essay, you need to give your opinion in a totally different paragraph. So the exact format of an opinion-based essay is in paragraph 1, you should include your introduction, and then in paragraph 2, you must include your first opinion of what exactly your thoughts or your ideas are. And then in paragraph 3, you should include your second opinion, backing it up with 2 supporting ideas. And then in paragraph 4 should be your conclusion. So when you are giving your first reason, you need to remember that you must support your ideas by giving valid reasons of why exactly this is your opinion on something. You cannot just explain why you think something is right or why you think something's wrong. I want to say why you agree with something, but this is going to be an opinion essay, not an agree or disagree. So this is something you must remember when you are writing your opinion-based essay, is that you need to support every single main idea you are talking about. So guys, as I mentioned, you will be given 1 of 7 essay types, and each essay type has a completely different essay structure you should follow. So even though I'm talking about the opinion-based essay question, it doesn't mean that every question type should be formatted in the same way of this essay structure. So to make this easier for you, I've actually created an IELTS Writing Test 2 essay template booklet where I have broken down all the 7 different essay types you may see in IELTS Writing Test 2. So make sure you check out this booklet down below. It is at a very low cost, and I put a lot of effort into it, so you will be given the exact essay structure, and everything you need to know about this booklet is down in my description box down below. So now that you know how exactly to format your opinion-based essay for your IELTS Writing Test 2 question, let's talk about how many sentences should you include in each particular paragraph. So your introduction should only be a maximum of 4 sentences. And then your first body paragraph should also be a maximum of 4 sentences. Your second body paragraph should be a maximum of 4 sentences. And then finally, your concluding paragraph should be a maximum of 3 sentences. So guys, just remember that the IELTS Writing Test 2 essay must be a minimum of 250 words. And I always go with a maximum of 275 to 300 words maximum. It doesn't necessarily mean the more words you write, the better of a writer you are. Actually, all throughout my university life, we were taught that the less words you write and the more clear and concise you are, the higher of a mark you would get in your essay writing. So you need to remember that when you are writing your essay for all the different essay types you may be given, It is a minimum of 250 words and go for a maximum of 275 to 300 words. So guys, if you like the information I am providing for you today, make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel below and give this video a like, because I put lots of effort into these videos and I hope you find them useful.